Hi, I'm Matt with MaxTow Gauges, and we get a lot of questions about what's included in the packaging when you purchase one of our gauges. So today I'm going to walk you through what's included with an exhaust gas temperature gauge. It's available in 1500 degree and 2200 degree options. Each option is available with a black or white face and a green display, or a black or white face and a blue display. So right away when you open the packaging, you'll see a 52mm exhaust gas temperature gauge with a double vision analog and digital display and a brightness level button on the front. Also included in the packaging, we have a 3-foot exhaust temperature probe with waterproof connector, a 6-foot exhaust temperature probe harness with waterproof connector, a 5-foot power harness, a mounting bracket with the hardware, a gauge visor for sun glare, and full color installation instructions. If you need any additional vehicle-specific installation accessories, feel free to visit our website at maxtow.com.